was no surprise. My heart is broken, you got me open. It will heal in time, I will be just fine. I'm getting stronger.